I woke up this morning so excited to make this video and share it with you. I honestly am blown away with my results of 30 days of dry brushing. In this video, I'm going to show you my before and after pictures. I'm going to show you the process that I use when I dry brush. It's 3 steps. I dry brush, I treat with my DIY vitamin C serum all over my body, and I use my massage and facial oil that also I DIY. I love this stuff. It's amazing. It makes my skin glow. It all started when I was working out in the gym, and YouTube decided to show me this video on a young woman who was trying to get her legs ready for summer. Her method was dry brushing. Number 1, I'm on a kick of trying things. Number 2, I had about 6 dry brushes laying around my house not being used. It wasn't going to cost me anything. What the heck? Let's try it. Thank goodness I took a before picture. It's not pretty because those pictures are not easy to take and the lighting was terrible. I was in the gym when I did it, but I got one and it's there, and the before and after progress is too obvious to ignore. Now, I had no idea this was going on because I wasn't looking. I was committed to the 30 days. I knew I was going to take some progress photos at the end of the 30 days. So when I finally saw what was going on back there, I couldn't believe my eyes, which is why I'm making this video right now for you. Let's get to it. I normally dry brush first thing in the morning. I start at my feet and work my way up. Notice I'm brushing toward my growing area. I try to brush in the direction of my lymph nodes. When I started, I did have some sensitivity on the back of my thighs to this brushing and had to go light. After about 3 days, this cleared up and I have no problem brushing vigorously all over my body. Once I give my leg a good brush, I like to use my spray bottle full of my DIY vitamin C serum. I rub that in and allow it to dry while I do another body part. I'm speeding up the video at this point, not my actual movements. You should take as much time as you like doing this dry brush method. These brushes do come in soft, medium, or hard, so if you find that your skin is sensitive, you may try adjusting the brush you have. As I mentioned, I had about 5 of these around the house, and this one was the softer one that I started out with. Again, I'm spraying this side with my vitamin C serum. It only takes about a minute for it to dry. Now I'm using my massage oil, which is a blend of oils I've put together. It smells wonderful. It feels amazing. It is a lighter oil, so I use it all over my body, including my face. And you can see how this process is just making my skin glow. I do have a recipe for both the vitamin C serum and the massage oil, and I'll link them both in the description box. Now I'm moving to my upper body. I do like a lighter pressure in this area, so this soft brush works really well. And as you notice, I am moving that brush up my arms and encouraging lymph flow. Now I'm pushing that drainage down toward my heart. I'm going to leave my towel on while I show you how I do my midsection. I always go in a clockwise motion to encourage digestion. I brush my love handles and then move lymph into my growing area. I do like to spend some time brushing that booty. This has an amazing smoothing effect to skin. So I make sure I focus on that area every time I dry brush, as well as the back of my thighs. This tool is helpful for getting the back area. We can't ignore the importance of our back area. And now I'm going to take a facial massage brush. I ordered a pack of 2 of these. I love this process so much. It feels amazing. I use a very gentle pressure, and I use a lot of the movements that I use when I do my gua sha routine. It just feels amazing. Now here you see me pressing on my lymph nodes, and this is just going to help facilitate all of that drainage in the morning. You can also see that I'm encouraging some good blood flow and circulation in my skin. I make sure to focus around my lip lines, and I really try to pull up and away from those laugh lines. Of course, I'm going to try to get some good blood flow on my forehead where I have those stubborn wrinkles. There you have it, my dry brushing routine. I hope you try it out. Let me know your thoughts, but please, please, please make sure you take good before and after photos. Get a friend, because those behind the booty shots are not easy. All right, until next time.